Hitbot electric suction cup ESC-70 unboxing. Open the package. The certificate of conformity is included. A warranty card. A product manual. And an ESC-70 electric suction cup. Prepare a 24-volt power supply. A 485 USB connection cable. A Phillips screwdriver. Note: please keep the power off during the wiring process. Find the black and red wire of the USB to 485 connection cable. Connect the red wire to the positive pole and the black wire to the negative pole of the power supply. The 4-pin terminal on the other side is connected to the terminal of the electromagnetic suction cup. The output line of the suction cup is directly connected to the 485 module. Plug the USB serial port into the computer. After the connection is complete, plug in the power.